Peel off masks are so in now, everybody is applying it. It's really good for your skin. Today I want to try two peel off masks. One is charcoal and the other one is the orange one. I wanted to see which one is better, orange or charcoal. So let's try it today. So I have two peel off masks here. This one is the Avon charcoal peel off mask. And the second one is the Everyuth golden peel off mask. So this is orange and this is charcoal. I'm going to apply half my face with orange and this part with charcoal. So let's start with this one. First thing that you need to do is wash your face, pat dry, and then you apply the mask. Okay, this is the orange one. I'm going to take. So I've applied it on this side, the orange peel off mask. Now it's time to apply the charcoal one, which is the Avon charcoal mask. So let's take this. So I've applied the charcoal mask on this side as well. So we'll wait for about 5 minutes, let this dry, and then we'll peel it off. So it's been 15 minutes now and my peel off mask is dried up almost, I think, and now it's time to remove it. So it's, as I told you, it's been 15 minutes, but this part is not yet dry. I'm going to peel it off. So this is the orange mask. Time to remove the charcoal mask. So I've peeled off the mask, I've washed my face with just water. And so I'm going to tell you my honest review. So this side it came off like really quickly, it dried really fast, and on this side, the charcoal one, it took a lot of time to like dry also. It was more than 15 to 20 minutes. Still some area like this part was wet, and I could peel it off really well. I could, actually feel like my dead skin and everything, all of that is coming out. This side, I don't find much of a difference. So I will go with the orange one, the Everyuth one. This is the winner for me. I really liked it. This part is feeling nice and fresh. This is okay, but I didn't like it. Comparatively, this one's better. So this was my review. Y'all let me know you tried this face pack peeling mask, and let me know if you liked it. And of course, Instagram, you have to follow me. It's Leena Gowda Official and Foxy Makeup Tips. I will see you soon, guys. Bye.